Hey, hello guys, and I'm back. Hopefully, you're doing good from your end as well. And today's topic is charts and visualizing data. And now that we are done with all of the number stuff and formula stuff, what does charts make? Charts will make our life much easier when compared to these numbers and stuff. How? What does charts do? Charts do visualize the data, visualize these numbers, these items into charts so that we can easily understand, analyze the data to make up some decisions on it. Let's quickly create one chart and see how does a chart helps us in taking up decisions. Fine. And we have this shopping list handy, and we have the items and the quantity, right, and the price of those items. I just want to see what items cost how much, and what item is costing me so much that I need to skip that item next time, right? Or let me build a small chart on the selection of this particular values. In insert, we need to go to the subsection over here where we'll have all the chart related options. Yes, this is a small chart over here. Let me over here you can see it. Fine. And on the x-axis we have all the items, on the y-axis we have the amount, where we have so bar with somewhere around this range. And on comparison with every other item value, the highest amount is somewhere around near 90. That has been taken up by chocolate. Chocolate is somewhere around 89 rupees. Main culprit over here is chocolate. Chocolate is taking up the most price. So we can from this bar chart we will be able to see what is the most amount of what's the highest valued and the least valued as well. Biscuits are the least valued. We can sustain biscuits for now, and we can possibly remove chocolate from our basket. So let's for now let's browse all of these options based on this. Over here we have axis, primary horizontal. Horizontal is something related to x-axis. Vertical is this. When you just uncheck it, what happens? This gets disappeared. We don't want that. Let's check it again so that it gets back. All of this, right? This is how you align. Please go through all these options and verify from your end. Okay. For now, I am just not going through all of those options. We have this. Yeah. We have this chart templates as well, quick layouts. We can just use any of the layouts as per necessity. Okay. Also we can change the colors. Okay, we can change the models. This is how we do it, right? Please explore. We can switch between the rows and columns. We can select the data on which we are trying to build a chart. Select data range. Since we have already selected the data range, all of the selected data range is being has been appearing here, right? This is the range that we have already selected. Legend entry series 1, yeah, Y, all of this stuff, right? Okay. And change chart type. If you would like to change the chart type as well, we can change it. Let's build a pie chart. Yeah, over here we can see if this is the sum of all the items, you can make the sum with adding all of these items as well. So if this is the sum, we can see what portion of item amount is taking what amount. Okay, based upon this you can see where is this thing 89. This is taking the large portion, and the smallest is 44 with a smaller portion. This is how you also use the pie chart. Based upon our requirement and based upon the chart, we will be able to take the decisions. These are all the templates. We can manipulate with the templates as well. If you want to move the chart from one sheet to another sheet, we can do that as well. Okay, new sheet, sheet number 5. We can do that. Yes. Yeah. This is a you move the sheets as well. We just brought our sheet back. Let's change the type. Let's change the type to column again. Okay, we just brought it back. This is how you choose the right chart, select the particular column that needs to be mapped on the chart, and also you'll be able to customize it according to our necessity. Fine. This is how you build a chart. Also, let's learn a small thing. For example, I am building a new table for this particular option. Let's see over here. Let's do insert. What I'm talking about the sparkline. What does sparkline do? Sparkline, instead of charts, if at all, if this is a small amount of data and we just want the data to be mapped into a particular cell and just see what the trend is, so then we can use the sparklines. Got it? This is how you build the sparkline. This is the new kind of trend chart where you can insert the sparkline based upon the previous series of numbers. Okay, this is how you build it. And that's it for today, and hope you have learned a few things from today's video. I might be just be quick today, and hopefully please don't mind, and let's meet tomorrow or day after tomorrow, and I'll be back with the one more interesting video. But for now, please practice charts and browse all other options. If you have any doubts, please comment out those doubts as well in the comment section, and I'll find some time and answer you back. Thank you, and that's it for today. Bye, take care.